Welcome to the best picks. The Best 12V Remote Start is probably one of the most convenient car accessories you can get, especially during harsh winters or scorching summers, allowing you to preheat or pre-cool your car from the comfort of your home or office, saving you time and making your daily commute more pleasant. This video will provide you with an in-depth review of this amazing product, covering its features, installation process, and overall performance, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your vehicle. Number 5. StartX Ford Remote Starter. With this remote starter, you can start your Ford from anywhere. It's perfect for warming up on cold days or cooling it down on hot ones, all from the comfort of your home. Installation is a breeze. It's a simple plug-and-play system, taking only about 5 minutes. No wire cutting or splicing needed. This remote starter is compatible with a wide variety of Ford models and years, from F-150s to Explorers. Check the compatibility list to see if it works with your vehicle. It works with both push-to-start and key-start vehicles and even diesel engines. You'll use your existing key fob for easy operation. This remote starter is designed and engineered in North America, and our helpful support team is here to assist you if you need it. It only works with automatic transmission vehicles. Also, it won't start if your check engine light is on or your fuel is low. What we like. It boasts compatibility with a wide range of Ford models. Installation is a breeze, taking only 5 minutes thanks to its plug-and-play design. Plus, you can use your existing key fob, making it incredibly convenient. If you own a compatible Ford and value ease of use, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It was every bit as easy and simple as they made it look. In fact, it's nearly idiot-proof. Took me longer to zip tie everything than it did to install it. Watch the video and scrap the instructions. Super easy, and it works like a charm on my F-250 Super Duty. Takes 2 minutes to install and works perfectly. Number 4. StartX Tundra Remote Starter. Start your Toyota Tundra from anywhere with this easy-to-use remote starter. Enjoy a preheated car in winter or a cool car in summer, all from the comfort of your home. It's a plug-and-play system, meaning installation is quick and easy. No wire splicing needed, just follow the simple instructions. This remote starter is designed for Toyota Tundras from 2010 to 2017. Make sure your Tundra has a key with a G on it and an automatic transmission. Use your existing key fob for remote starting. Extend the range with an optional long-range RF kit or cell phone module. This remote starter is designed and engineered in North America, and our support team is here to help if you need it. What we like. This kit is designed for seamless integration with your Toyota Tundra, 2010 to 2017. It's completely plug-and-play, requiring no wire splicing, and installation is straightforward. If you own a Tundra within that year range and want a hassle-free installation, this is the remote starter for you. What people say. The installation process was straightforward, and the system works flawlessly. The range is impressive, and I love how seamlessly it integrates with my Tundra's existing features. It's reliable, responsive, and feels like a factory-installed option. This remote start for my Tundra was easy to install as everything uses factory connectors. No chopping and no cutting up the wires. This worked out perfectly for my 2017 Tundra. The video through the QR code the manufacturer provides is easy to follow and cold recommend this for anyone with a 2010 to 2017 Tundra. Number 3. StartX Remote Starter Kit. Experience the convenience of remote car starting with our new kit. It's designed for effortless installation and reliable performance, making your drives more comfortable year-round. Start your vehicle from the comfort of your home. Beat the heat in summer or the cold in winter, ensuring a pleasant driving experience every time. Installation is a breeze with our simple plug-and-play design. No wire splicing needed, just follow the easy-to-understand instructions. It's compatible with a wide range of Ford vehicles, including F-Series trucks and popular SUVs. Check the compatibility list to see if it fits your car. This kit is designed and engineered in North America with dedicated US-based technical support. You can trust in its quality and readily available assistance. Upgrade your driving experience with StartX. It's the perfect blend of convenience, ease of use, and reliable performance. What we like. This remote starter offers a simple installation process with no wire splicing required. It's compatible with a variety of Ford trucks and SUVs from 2011 to 2017. If you need a user-friendly solution for your older Ford vehicle, this is the one for you. What people say. This was in fact a plug-and-play remote car starter which was easy to set up and works well. No splicing factory wiring. Literally plug and play. Instructions were pretty clear. The kit was literally plug and play with my 2011 3.5 EcoBoost F-150. This took me exactly an hour and a half to install. Actual time spent thinking around with it was about 30 minutes. The programming took me 2 tries. The process is also really easy. The thing works. Triple press lock on your key and it starts. Triple press again and it stops. Number 2. StartX Ram 2500-3500 Remote Starter. Introducing the StartX Remote Starter Kit. It lets you start your Ram 2500-3500 remotely, warming it up on cold mornings before you even get inside. Say goodbye to cold mornings. With 3 presses of your existing key fob, it starts your truck, saving you time and discomfort. This kit features a simple plug-and-play design. No need for complicated wiring, it's designed for a seamless installation. Important, this kit is only compatible with 2019 to 2024 Ram 2500-3500 trucks with push-to-start. It will not work with other vehicles or the 1500 model. A Windows PC is required for the programming process. The instructions are easy to follow, ensuring a smooth setup. The remote start range is the same as your key fob's range. For extended range, optional remotes are available at a discounted price. What we like. Start your Ram 2500-3500 with just 3 clicks of your existing key fob's lock button. It's a completely plug-and-play system, making installation a snap. If you own a Ram 2500-3500 and appreciate simple operation, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Easy install, works with my Ram fob, instructions are straightforward. All I can say is wow. I researched and watched the installation videos prior to ordering, so I was ready to go as soon as the product arrived. My installation is on a 2021 Ram 2500 6.4 and the remote start works as promoted. This remote start kit was successfully installed on my 2021 Ram 3500. Took about 20 minutes with programming. An easy install and works as described. Number 1. StartX Remote Starter Kit. This kit lets you start your car remotely, warming it up or cooling it down before you get in. No more waiting for the defroster. It's a plug-and-play system with a custom-designed harness. No wire splicing needed, although some vehicle disassembly is required. Watch our video for step-by-step instructions. This kit is designed for select push-to-start vehicles, including specific models of Toyota Highlander, CHR, and Land Cruiser. It's not compatible with hybrid models. Start it by pressing your factory remote's lock button 3 times. Turn it off by pressing the lock button 3 times again. It's that simple. The engine automatically shuts off when you open the door. You'll need to restart it before driving. The remote start range is the same as your key fob's locking range. What we like. This remote starter is perfect for select Toyota models with push-to-start ignition. The 3x lock feature makes starting your vehicle incredibly convenient. If you own a compatible Toyota and want a simple, efficient remote start solution, this is for you. What people say. Click lock 3 times and hold down the third a moment and it starts, which is great because summer is hot and getting into a cool car rocks, and winter is cold and getting into a warm car rocks. It also keeps the door locked and car safe. It's so convenient. She starts the car from her house and by the time she gets to the car it's ready. Install was super easy and this works as I want. Starts the car and runs 15 minutes with the last configured heat AC settings. For anyone wondering, the car remains locked, big thing for me. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.